I'm here with Kyle and
Katugon pa oh.
We have to start our week, right? Kindly start pouring up your lines. I repeat. Good morning, maayong bunta.
Hi guys, I woke up at 4 a.m. by the way to prepare for my takeover class, and it will be observed by a beautiful mother, Grace Lumakang. And right now I'm waiting for myself na makaingon nga ready na gid ko. Our last day sa I nag-rap ng isa. Ten. Luwi ninyo. Relax lang.
Chill. Aircon.
Ang isa.
Ito kung tawag si Kyle, aircon.